Hi everyone. If I say 2 plus 2 equals 5, would you ever believe that? I guess most of you would not believe that 2 plus 2 can be equals to 5. Because according to mathematics 2 plus 2 equals 4. So somehow I break that rule of mathematics. And I will prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. So how? Let's get started. So now, the question is, where did I make mistake? Surprisingly, I don't think I made any mistake, but if you can find that mistake, comment below to share it. Thank you for watching our new video series. New video is coming out next week Monday on funny mathematics tricks. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and make sure you like and share this video. Thanks.